When every ounce matters, the gear you carry can make all the difference. In this video, we're counting down 7 ultra-lightweight titanium survival gadgets built for high-altitude mountaineering, backpacking, and minimalist carry. From rugged titanium tent stakes and versatile eating tools to a dependable Ferrocerium fire starter and compact digging tool, these carefully selected essentials are designed to reduce pack weight without sacrificing durability or performance. If you're looking to build a lighter, smarter outdoor kit, these titanium gadgets deserve a spot in your loadout. Number 1. The ground turned cruel the moment night fell. My tent site looked impossible, hard-packed and root-choked. I grabbed my tiny tool, expecting another failure. Then the soil fought back like stone. Every cheap shovel would have snapped right there. I thought my campsite was doomed. But this wasn't a weak camping accessory. This was the Vargo Titanium Dig tool. Only 1.25 ounces, yet brutally dependable. Its 8.13-inch compact body disappears in your pack. Titanium construction means strength without the weight. I finally understood why it never fails. The serrated edges cut through dirt and roots. What resisted before now gave way instantly. The U-shaped bend made digging feel controlled. The rolled handle spared my hand from pain. No slipping, no biting metal, no desperate struggle. It worked like a full-size shovel, yet it stayed backpacking light the entire time. Then came the second shock. Those cutouts weren't decoration, they locked in guy lines. In harsh terrain, it doubled as a tent stake. One tool, 2 essential survival jobs. That meant less gear and more freedom. Perfect for hikers chasing speed and simplicity. Perfect for campers who refuse fragile tools. Perfect for survivalists who trust only titanium. This is the compact dig tool that outlasts the challenge. If your outdoor kit needs one upgrade, choose this. Get the Vargo Titanium Dig tool today. Number 2. Ever pack for a trip and hate bulky utensils? Heavy cutlery takes space you need for real essentials. Plastic forks bend, and cheap spoons never last. Out on the trail, bad tools slow every meal. You want something compact, reliable, and easy to carry. That is exactly why Snow Peak made this set. The titanium fork and spoon are ultralight. They slide easily into your pack or pocket. The slim canvas case keeps everything neat. No loose utensils rattling around your gear. Titanium brings strength without adding unnecessary weight. It resists rust, corrosion, and daily wear, so you can rely on it, trip after trip. The surface is easy to clean after every meal. Use mild soap, water, or the dishwasher. Then let it air dry, ready for next time. This set works for camping, hiking, and backpacking. It also fits perfectly into everyday lunches. Reusable cutlery means less waste and smarter packing. You carry one set and use it everywhere. The design feels simple, clean, and highly practical. At just 32 grams, it stays almost unnoticed. But when mealtime comes, it performs confidently. You get durable gear that looks as good as it works. That means fewer replacements and more dependable meals outdoors. The compact size makes every adventure easier to prepare. The travel case adds convenience without extra bulk. Snow Peak brings trusted quality to your outdoor routine. For campers and hikers, that peace of mind matters. Choose the set that keeps meals simple, light, and ready. Number 3. Last winter, my campfire died in freezing rain. My hands shook, and the woods felt suddenly unforgiving. Wet matches failed again and again. Dinner went cold, and panic started creeping in. I needed fire, fast, before night took over. That's when I started searching for serious survival gear. I was scrolling through outdoor videos late at night. Then I spotted the Titan SurvivorSteel Firestarter V2.0. The design looked rugged, compact, and built for real emergencies. One feature instantly grabbed me. 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit sparks. Even in damp conditions, it promised reliable ignition. That sounded exactly like what my kit was missing. Then I noticed the patented survivor cord handle, paracord, snare wire, fishing line, and jute serious backup. And the built-in emergency whistle, absolute game changer. Now I had fire, signaling, and survival utility in one. I tested it, and it sparked immediately. No struggling, no wasted time, no frustration. Just quick ignition when conditions were honestly terrible. That meant safer meals, warmer nights, calmer decisions. It also gave me confidence for future trips. 12,000 strikes means this tool keeps going. That's the kind of durability campers and preppers need. Compact enough for my pack, tough enough for emergencies. If weather turned brutal, I knew I was ready. If disaster hit, I'd still have fire and signal. Honestly, this belongs in every bug-out bag. So why gamble on weak gear when survival matters? Wouldn't you want one tool that actually delivers? Grab the Titan SurvivorSteel now before your next trip. Number 4. Tired of heavy stakes slowing your pack down? Meet HikeMax Titanium tent stakes, built for real backcountry use. Reason 1. Ultralight design, so your pack stays easy. At just 12 grams each, they barely register. That means more room for food, gear, and freedom. Reason 2. Strong V-shaped structure grips soil confidently. From hard ground to loose dirt, they hold steady. No wobbling, no slipping, no campsite drama. Titanium alloy gives serious strength without extra bulk. You get durability you can trust trip after trip. Reason 3. Reflective pull cords make night packing simple. Spot each stake fast, even in low light. No more searching around with a flashlight forever. Pull them out quickly and keep moving. The 6-pointed set covers tents, tarps, and shelters. Perfect for backpackers who need reliable, compact support. Use them on campsite setups, beach trips, and windy fields. They resist corrosion, so rain and moisture are no problem. That means dependable performance season after season. If your gear matters, your stakes should too. Why carry weak aluminum when titanium does more? Why waste energy on bent pegs and broken points? Upgrade your setup with strength, weight savings, and ease. These stakes are made for campers who value efficiency. They are also ideal for hikers chasing lighter loads. And perfect for anyone who wants fast, hassle-free pitching. Small in size, big on reliability, and ready for action. Grab the HikeMax Titanium stakes before your next trip. Make packing lighter, setup faster, and camping smoother. Tap to get yours and upgrade your outdoor kit today. Number 5. Ever fought a tent stake like it owed you money? One tap turns into a full outdoor identity crisis. The ground says no. Your hammer says maybe. Your backpack says absolutely not. Then enters the tiny hero. TITO Titanium Shepherd's Hook Stakes. 6 pieces, 1 pouch, 0 drama. Each stake is only 6.1 grams. Yes, 6.1 grams. That's lighter than your excuses. Made from 100% titanium alloy. Strong enough for hard soil. Still light enough to pretend it's not there. Rust resistant, corrosion resistant, camping proof. Rain, mud, acid, alkali, nice try. The sharp tip goes in fast. The hook top grabs ropes instantly. No wrestling match with your guy lines. Just hook, push, and boom, secured. 165 millimeters of pure grounded confidence. Long enough to hold firm. Small enough to travel like a secret agent. For tents, tarps, yard setups, and garden duty. Camping, backpacking, backyard tarp situation. These stakes stay ready for all of it. And yes, they look ridiculously clean in silver. Your gear just got an upgrade. Your tent just got trust issues solved. Your backpack just stopped complaining. TITO Titanium stakes. Tiny, tough, and annoyingly efficient. Grab the 6-pack before your old pegs embarrass you. Number 6. A fork, a spoon, and freedom in one hand. Meet the Titanium Spork, built for real wild meals. It looks sleek, feels solid, and weighs almost nothing. At only 19 grams, every ounce matters. Slip it into your pack, and forget the bulk. The long handle reaches deep into MRE pouches. No more messy fingers or awkward food chasing. Just smooth, easy scoops from the first bite. The polished bowl glides like your home flatware. The matte handle gives you a confident, secure grip. Titanium means strength without the stainless steel weight. It's corrosion-resistant, durable, and made for rugged use. Camp coffee, trail soup, emergency rations, covered. This Spork handles them all with effortless versatility. Ditch disposable plastic and pack something smarter. One reusable utensil saves countless throwaway spoons and forks. Better for your kit, better for the planet. Use it on the trail, at camp, or travel. It's built for backpackers, survivalists, and everyday explorers. Dishwasher safe too, because convenience should never stop outdoors. When the day gets gritty, cleanup stays simple. It comes with a bright orange nylon carry bag, easy to spot in your pack, even at night, or use the handle eyelet to hang it up. Clean design, compact storage, and grab-and-go readiness. Long handle length, 8.5 inches of practical reach. Ultra light, ultra tough, and ready for the next mile. This is the Spork that earns its place. Built to last, easy to carry, impossible to ignore. Upgrade your trail meals with Savior survival gear. Pack the titanium Spork and eat smarter anywhere. Order now and bring this essential tool everywhere. Number 7. Ever had tent stakes bend, rust, or disappear in your pack? Camping should be easy, not a battle with gear. That's why I switched to Boundless Voyage titanium stakes. These are built from premium titanium alloy, so they stay ultralight, rust-proof, and corrosion-resistant. Each stake weighs only 23 grams. Honestly, you barely notice them in your backpack. Perfect for backpacking, hiking, and any outdoor adventure. The 20 centimeters length gives dependable ground-holding power. That extra length helps keep your shelter firmly anchored. The V-shaped design boosts grip in soil. It also increases friction for better stability. The pointed tip slides into the ground easily. No struggling, even when the terrain feels tough. And the no-slip hook keeps guy lines secure. Your tent ropes stay in place, even in wind. 10 hollow holes cut weight without losing strength. Smart design makes packing lighter and setup faster. You can see the lightweight build at a glance. The slim body looks simple, but performs seriously well. It's made for campers who value reliability. Backpackers will love the low weight and easy carry. Outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate the rust-proof durability. Use them for tents, awnings, or canopies. They handle wet, muddy, and changing weather conditions. Setup feels quick, secure, and much less stressful. No more flimsy stakes holding you back outside. Just strong, lightweight support where you need it. For dependable tent security, these are a smart pick. Grab the Boundless Voyage titanium stakes today. That wraps up our list of 7 ultra-lightweight titanium survival gadgets for high-altitude adventures and minimalist carry. Whether you're preparing for demanding mountain expeditions, multi-day backpacking trips, or simply refining your ultralight EDC setup, these tools prove that strong, reliable gear doesn't have to weigh you down. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow hikers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Stay prepared, travel light, and we'll see you in the next Gear Roundup.